Welcome to Bookmarking.blog, a place where you can learn about different websites and web applications. I'll give you some of my reviews on them, and it also has a nice bookmarking app which will allow you to take bookmarks everywhere you go. That includes any computer with any web browser and also your cell phone. So to get started, once you sign up for your account, you will end up with a new menu item up here that says My Bookmarks. If you click on that, that will take you to your specific bookmarking page. And right now there are no bookmarks there. And so that's what this video is going to talk about, is how to work with bookmarks and folders. So first, let's start off with creating some bookmarks for a couple of common search engines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Add Bookmark, type in the URL or the web address of the bookmark that I want to create. So let's do Google and type in a name for it. Of course, the name does not have to match the website, but it's helpful in most cases. But you could have called it My Google or My Search or anything you wanted. Let's go ahead and create another one for Yahoo. And then we'll click OK. And we'll do a third one for Bing. Okay, so we have 3 bookmarks created. And like I said, you can log into any computer's web browser and go to Bookmarking Blog, log in, and then your My Bookmarks page will have all your bookmarks in it. What I would recommend is on your main computers is that you actually go to your My Bookmarks page like we are right now. So it should say My Bookmarks on it. And you can actually set this as your home page in your web browser. And then that way, every time you start your web browser, it'll automatically take you to this page with your bookmarks on it. If you're not logged in, then it will ask you to log in. However, if you've been logged in recently, it'll remember that. It'll take you right to the page. Okay, so for bookmarks, all I got to do is just click on the actual image or the text down below it. So if I click on this, this will open up Google for me, and it always will open up your programs or your websites in a new tab. That way you don't lose your place on your bookmarks page. So if I want to go to Bing, just click on Bing, and it brings me right to it. So there are a couple icons here. You have the red X. If you click on that, that will delete the bookmark. You have the little piece of paper with a pen in it that just allows you to change the name of the bookmark. So in this case, I might want to call it My Yahoo. And then that will be updated in the icon over here for you. Let's go ahead and add a couple more entertainment type websites. So let's start off with YouTube. And let's add one for Netflix. And let's add one more for Hulu. So when you're entering in these new bookmarks, you'll first see the little clock there, which tells you that the system is processing. So what it's doing is it's grabbing an image of the website. If the website is already on our system, then it'll come up fairly quickly. If not, it may take up to a minute. Don't worry about it. When the image is ready, it will automatically update your bookmark for you. Okay, so now that we have some bookmarks, we want to organize them a little better, because if I keep on creating bookmarks, it can get pretty cluttered. So what I want to do is I want to create some folders to put my bookmarks in. So let's create the first one here. We're going to give it a name. We'll just call it Search Engines. And then you will scroll through the different images, find one that you like that you think will help you to remember search engines, click it, and the folder will be created. Let's create another one for entertainment. And I'm going to use the big play button down here. So I'm going to click that one. That creates another folder for me. So folders also have the X, so I can delete the folder. I can also use the little paper and pencil icon over here to change the name if I want. And so in order to transfer, for instance, my search engine stuff into my search engine folder, you are going to click the little folder icon on the bookmark. Now, when you do that, you'll see a link opens up on all of your folders. So it's asking you which folder do you want My Yahoo to go into. So in this case, we're going to click on that little link icon, and my Yahoo will be transferred into search engines. I'm going to do the same thing with Bing. I'm going to click on the folder. That turns on the link icons, and I want that to go into search engines. So the last three are going to be my entertainment bookmarks. I want to transfer those into my entertainment folder. So just click the folder, click the link on entertainment, and that will transfer it into entertainment. Same thing with Netflix, and finally Hulu. So of course, you don't have to put them into folders if you only have a few bookmarks, but if you have a lot, then it can help save space. Click on the name or the image of the folder, then it will open up the folder and let you see all the bookmarks that are inside of it. You can close the folder by clicking on the black bar up at the top. And we can also delete folders. So let's say I wanted to delete the entertainment folder. When I go to delete it, what's going to happen is it's first going to place all of my icons that were in the folder back on my main page so I don't lose my icons, and then it deletes the folder. So the folder is no longer there, but I didn't lose any of my bookmarks. I can now create a new folder, give it a different name if I want, transfer them over there. Or if I didn't want those particular bookmarks, I can just go ahead and click X and get rid of them. So that's the basics of the main interface. One other thing I did want to show you, you should check the home page once in a while. So once you're on the home page, you will see that I do have some articles that I write. This is a blog on top of being a bookmarking app. So inside the blog, I'll write about different websites that I've found that might be of interest to users. And also, I'm really big on finding applications that work within the web browser. So you can read about different applications, and at the bottom of the articles, you'll see an Add to My Bookmarks button. If you click that button, it will add the link to your bookmarks. So if I click that, here's telling me it's been added to my bookmarks. Just click on OK. And this particular one is for a website called Protected Text. If I go to my bookmarks, I can now see the icon for the protected text. If I click that, it'll take me directly to the website. So the nice thing about having your bookmarks on Bookmarking Blog is that they are available from any web browser on the internet. So you can use them on multiple computers, or if you're over at somebody else's house, you can log into Bookmarking Blog and get all of your bookmarks there. And it also works on your cell phone. So the other thing is that once you have signed up, and the sign up is free, you'll also have an area here for Message Jim. That's me. So you can click on that, and you can go ahead and just type in a subject and a note, click on submit, and that will send it to me. So if you have any recommendations for particular websites that you think that I should look at and do a blog post on, or if you'd like to make comments or suggestions for the actual bookmarking app itself or the website, feel free to go ahead and send me a message. All right. Well, with that, happy bookmarking. I hope you enjoyed.